Hey Shooby Doodlers, how are you doing? Well, it's Halloween time while I'm doing this, and so I'm going to show you how to draw a kind of a cartoony type of vampire. So I'm going to show you how to draw a cartoony type of Dracula. So we're going to draw a circle that's going to be kind of a head, and we can make that a bit pointy at the bottom, and then we're going to want to have ears on the side like that. There'll be hair going up and over the top, and a kind of a thing like that. So let's start with this. I'm going to draw the ears around there and around there first with a little wiggle inside, and then I'm going to bring the chin down there like that. Now we want to have this kind of widow's peak type hairstyle, so it's kind of like a McDonald's M kind of thing going on there, and then we can have the hair kind of coming out like that, and we want to have some serious evil eyebrows and some serious staring eyeballs. So I'm doing the eyeball, the little thing itself, like a kind of a Pac-Man sort of shape, and we can maybe give him some some staring kind of shading on the outside. So there's lots of little curves to make it look like he's he hasn't slept for a while, basically like that. And then we want a nose, and then a kind of an evil smile, like that. So again, it's a kind of an M, shallow M, and we want a couple of fangs, and then another little M there, and that will give you his tongue, and shade in those bits there. And then he wants to have a nice what do you call it, cape over the top, so he's a kind of a, you know, a hood type thing like that going on there, and then we can have his body like that. When you're sure the ink is completely dry, you can erase those pencil lines, and then I'm going to ink in his hair. I know somebody's going to say, what are you drawing with? This is a Pentel brush pen. And then I think we can make this kind of, give this a bit of a border, as it were, something like that. And then I think we want this to be in black. I'm going to zoom in so I don't have to paint so much. Subtle, huh? So we can fill that in black, and I think we can put this in nice red just to bring it all out. So there you are, how to draw Dracula, nice and easy for Halloween. And if you enjoyed that, make sure you will subscribe, click the subscribe button, and click that little bell, ding, when it comes up, and then you'll get to know when I do new videos. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now, bye bye.